Namaste, this is Rotarian Anila Pillai reporting live for Rotary Optimus Studio at Incredible District Conference 2024, Darpan the Reflection. Friends, our guest for today is well-decorated Commodore Ahluwalia ji, and he is known personality in District 3141 and Pan India for his services. Welcome, Ahluwalia ji, Commodore Saab. Your question is, you have been so passionately working for Project National Integration, we call it PNI, so your involvement and how you have thought of initiating it for our district.
Thank you, Anita ji. When I joined Rotary in 13-14, I found that defense services are not being paid attention by Rotarians. Also, I thought that the Rotarians are not aware about the defense forces. So I thought of I must continue to be a Rotarian and tell Rotarians about the defense forces in India and do something for the defense forces. When this idea was in my mind, the Kashmir, there is a friend of mine who told me that some Rotary club from Madras have approached them but have not done the work which they had promised. So I took off from there. I told Arun Bhargav, our district governor, and Lieutenant Governor Rajan Dua that this is the feedback. Then they said, it's a very good project, we should get going. Then one Colonel Pawar, that time the commanding officer of 56 rifles in Machal area, came to Bombay, gave a presentation, and thereafter there has not been any stoppage.
Wow. Commodore, कश्मीर इतना सुंदर कश्मीर, इतना बेहतरीन कश्मीर, आपने पूरे इतने बड़े कश्मीर में सिर्फ मच्छल एरिया ही क्यों चुना है पीएनआई प्रोजेक्ट के लिए?
Machal area is on the line of control.
Oh.
As you have heard Brigadier Negi today, it's only 2 to 3 kilometers from Pakistan.
Oh ho ho ho.
It's the most operational area and where we could contribute from the Rotary to bring more locals with us and to become a good citizen of the country, thereby helping the army and the nation to bring peace in Kashmir.
Perfect. ये इतना सुंदर आइडिया, इतना ग्रेट आइडिया आपने हम रोटेरियंस के लिए चुना. So what is the difference between the projects we do in Mumbai and we going all the way to Kashmir and doing the project?
A very, very good point. I say in Mumbai or Palghar area, we help poor children to go to schools and various other projects. But in Kashmir, in Machal area, you are not only helping a needy, poor person, but helping the full family and also converting them from becoming a terrorist to a good citizen of the country.
Oh.
And we have seen the result for the last 1.5 years. As a military man, the interaction with the locals of the army has improved a lot. We hardly have any collateral damage, whereas we are killing the terrorists in that area, but without any damage to us. So that shows the Rotary, the effect of Rotary, doing good work for the locals through the army, and locals now becoming more supportive for the army.
Wow, that's a great blessings also you're earning. And another question is, Commodore sir, that what is the impact on youth?
Impact of youth, as you have seen, these 25 girls who have come from Kashmir, young, very smart. Kashmiris are very good looking. First time coming from the villages of Kashmir, hilly area, to Mumbai it was a difficult task. Even the General Officer commanding, at that time when we were discussing, he was not very sure as to what security we would be giving them. But somehow the total group, including Abidaji, we have been successful. We have made, all Rotarians in Mumbai have paid so much of attention. Those first batch of girls have gone back safe and sound, giving a very, very good impression of the Rotary Mumbai and India. And now Kashmiris know that if there's somebody to take care of their welfare, it is the Rotary 3141 Mumbai and India. It has got a very good effect on the locals, and that totally for the nation and the army and Rotary Bombay.
Thank you so much. So this proves Brigadier's point, if the cause is good, means follow. Thank you so very much for guiding Rotary in such a great project, that is Project National Integration. Signing off for now, Anila Pillai with cameraman Naresh Palia. Thank you so much. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.